You already know. Hey, what we got going on here? Oh shit. Oh shit. What we got going on here? We out here. Sunday night. You got one DD right here. Got the chicken sauce. Auntie, what they do? Oh, a sneak peek.
Can I take the
Ooh, wait, hey, this sneak peek. That's how that thing look.
tell
Yeah.
you how good it is.
We got chicken sauce and come. What's going on over there, Poppy?
Daddy, I'm young
Yeah.
man, and I think it's time you understand. Your chicken sauce is so good. Ooh, wee. That is the name of it. Ooh, chicken sauce, that is. Ooh, because when you eat it, you come back. And you say this is real. Ooh, wee. Girl, you're so good. Just make me so chicken sauce.
Let me see how it look, nigga. Let me see how it look. Let me see the chicken sauce. Ooh.
Oh, yes, you are.
That's what it is. That's a sneak peek deep. Fucking with it.
But you know,
At Divine,
you
the after hours.
You gotta be real,
Yeah.
too. You got